Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign up for Doctrina AI. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type doctrina.ai and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of doctrina.ai. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided. But our main concern right now is simply signing up and creating an account. Right here on the navbar at the very top right, you will find two icons like login and sign up. Simply click on the sign up button right here. A new tab will open up asking you to create a free account. Just enter your details right here, that's your email address, username, password and password confirmation. Let's enter our credentials right now. Do make sure to enter a strong password, as a strong password equals to more security. Now that everything's okay, simply hit on the sign up button right here. And as you can see, it simply redirected us back to this login page. Simply enter your password right here, as your username will already be available. Let's enter our password right here. And once everything's okay, simply hit on the login button right here. As you can see, we have successfully signed up and logged into our account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you sign up to Doctrina AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.